Have you heard about broadband light, or BBL? It is the popular laser that doctors are using to zap away freckles, red blotches, and veins on the face. Well, one of our viewers wants to know if it really works. So Fox 26's Melissa Wilson turned to Dr. Christine Cheng with Nuvo Med Spa to find out.
Viewer Bobby tells me she has what she calls an extreme case of freckles, and she wants to know if broadband light that she's read about might help. So we're going to go to the experts and find out. Does this make a difference for freckles?
Absolutely, it really does. When I was young, I had tons and tons of freckles, and I thought I really liked them because it actually makes people look a little bit younger. But when I got married a few months ago and I saw all of the freckles that was on my wedding pictures, I was stunned.
So you decided to learn more about broadband yourself.
Correct.
What did you find out?
I actually have been performing this procedure for a long time, and it's absolutely amazing in moving spots, flushing, veins in the face, and it's not painful at all. There's no downtime, and in terms of the freckles and spots, you can definitely see a significant improvement within 5 or 6 days. Using the Sciton BBL has allowed me to tell every one of my patients that I can reverse the aging process of skin cells. And that is simple, that is big, and I have seen amazing results, including on myself.
What is it and how does it work?
It is a light service, or it's a light technology, and what it does is that it actually focuses on the pigment itself. Okay, so when it hits the pigment, it is going to come up to the surface, and then within about 4 to 5 days it just falls off of your skin.
And that's it.
That's
and
it.
Then, so the freckles are gone like that. You don't
Yes.
even have to wait for longer than that.
Correct.
Is it expensive?
It is not very, very expensive compared to some of the other procedures. You are looking at about $300 to $400 per session. There are package pricings, so you know it actually works beautifully.
What would the downtime be for a woman who didn't want to go to work without her makeup?
Well, I actually did mine on a Thursday, and I came back on a Friday. All I had to do is put on some makeup. Some of the spots came up to the surface. It was a little bit darker, but it actually can very, very easily be covered.
Well, your before and after pictures are remarkable. Do people say to you, hey, what did you do?
Yes.
Or
Yes.
they'll comment on it?
Absolutely. They'll say, what happened? You look great. So
interesting. Well, thanks for talking to us about
Thank
this.
you.
Hope it helps Bobby.
That was really interesting. If you have a question that you would like Melissa to ask the doctor for you, you can find her on Twitter or Facebook. Just head over to her Facebook fan page, like the page, and then you can post your comments.